Unveiling the magic of modal verbs for permission in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a very important part of English language, modal verbs for permission. This video will help you understand what these verbs are, how they're used, and why they're so important in English. So, let's get started. Modal verbs for permission are types of auxiliary verbs that we use to express permission, possibility, ability, and obligation. In this video, we're focusing on their use for permission. Some of the main modal verbs for permission include can, could, may, and might. For example, can I go to the park? You may use my pen. These sentences show that the speaker is asking for or giving permission. Now that we understand what modal verbs for permission are, let's look at their uses. 1. Requesting permission. We use can, could, may when we are asking for permission. Could and may are more formal and polite than can. Examples. 2. Can I use your computer? Informal. 3. Could I borrow your book, please? Polite. 4. May I leave early today? Formal. 5. Giving permission. We can use can, may, might to give or grant permission. Might is less certain than can and may. Examples. 6. You can take a break now. 7. You may use the conference room. 8. You might be able to leave early. I will have to check. Remember, might implies a level of uncertainty. Use it when the permission is not completely in your control. Modal verbs for permission are essential in English because they help us ask for and give permission in a respectful and polite way. Whether you're in a formal setting like a business meeting, or an informal one like a friendly gathering, knowing how to correctly use these verbs can greatly enhance your communication skills. That's all for today's video on modal verbs for permission. We hope this has helped clarify what these verbs are, their uses, and their importance in English. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new concept, so try to use these modal verbs in your everyday conversation. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.